Mike. Okay, so I thought this might be helpful. It can be a little confusing. So Google Classroom, this is the stream of everything that's new, so you don't want to look here, you want to look at classwork. Okay, so this is for Eli. So if it's gray, it means he turned it in, which like we just turned in his journal. If it's red, it means he still needs to do it. So yesterday, or pink, yesterday he has 3 things that are still due. So the SRA, if you click on that, you can click on, this is a reading it looks like, which maybe his teacher had him do something. I'm not sure. Okay, reading. Yeah, you can put period. So reading and comprehension looks like maybe he was supposed to answer these in his language book. Okay? So after he would do that, there's just screencast thing. Okay, so he would do that, then you would click back, and then on view assignment, you need to upload an image of whatever picture he did. If it was in his language book, take a picture and then upload it here and then mark it's done. One thing I did that's really helpful is I actually downloaded Google Classroom, so I can take a picture on my phone and just upload it right there. That makes it a lot easier. Computation, so what you do is click on this, it'll give you the directions. Yeah, I'm making a video for Daddy. So here it says write your answers in your computation notebook, so that's their red notebook, and then fill in your answers on slide 2. Okay, so they can use these stamps. So they need to, first of all, do the work in their red notebook. Okay, so they need to write all these down in their red notebook.
This is Ian.
That's Ian. Then they'll come back here, they write in their numbers. They each know how to do this. But when you're done, what you have to do, see over here it says share, present, but there's not a turn in. Okay, so you click to go back. Hold on, Ian. And then you click view assignment. And this is where you see it, and you click turn in. Okay, so all of their things need to be turned in, and you have to do that by not clicking on the actual assignment, but by view assignment. Upload whatever images they need and click turn in. Okay, and then like multiplication, he doesn't have. It looks like, I don't know, and it's so funny because they're like, we did it, but they didn't turn it in, and I wasn't here to know if they did it or not, you know. So it looks like maybe Eli did do this. Do you know if Ian did this, Eli? Or Eli did this?
Yep, I saw him do it.
You saw him do it. Okay, so it looks like this is probably done, but what we need to do is we need to go back here, view assignment, turn in. Okay, so that's why everything is showing up missing. Is some of them are done, but they're not. But just make sure you're clicking turn in. Now for Ian, same thing. This is Ian. Him and I just redid this work, just did this work, but he's missing 2 things, and you can click view more. Okay, so he's missing 2 things from Tuesday and 2 from 3 from yesterday. Okay, so him and I just finished this one, and I took a picture of it on my phone, and so let's see if I can turn it in on my phone. I go to classwork on my phone, the exact same heading.
I got to touch the fan with my finger.
And I click on the assignment, and then I can add an attachment.
Yes.
Sorry, I know you can't see this, but I'm wondering if it'll turn up here. So add attachment. Ian, don't touch the fan. It looks like I have to take a picture of it and upload it in the moment, but I'll do that and then mark it's done. Okay, so that's what we got to do. Otherwise, I have a bunch of missing stuff, and I can't tell what they did or what they didn't, what's missing. So just hit to go down, because they're missing old stuff too. So maybe if you could go through this. Yeah, this stuff is from Friday, last Friday. So these are days they were with you too. So maybe if you can do that, that'll really help us get caught up. And then maybe we can, if you have any questions after that, just let me know. But it's super helpful to go into the, to go into the virtual classroom and just ask Miss Gonzalez what they're missing for the day, and she'll tell you. She'll help you. Okay, say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Hello. This is Ian. I wish I could see this.
Okay, bye.
This is me.